Police raid homes under the guise of "you have a delivery."
It's DoorDash. I have a delivery. It's DoorDash. I have a delivery for 103. 103. Yeah, I have a delivery for you. Can you open the door? Hi. Yeah, hi. Is anyone else home? You don't live with anyone else here? I live here. Okay.
This is such a bizarre theft. The woman isn't even wearing pants while stealing,
hey, what are you
and
doing,
the
bro?
homeowner comes out naked. What kind of situation is this? In weather like this, make sure to stay indoors. The thieves almost stabbed the man. A couple was riding an ATV when they suddenly flipped over, but thankfully they weren't injured. They steal cars very quickly using this method. The man must have been so angry at the car owner that the vehicle was left unusable. After arguing with his wife, the man got very angry and started smashing everything around him. The graffiti artist is painting the windows of this homeowner's house. The house's fence caught fire as a result of a lightning strike. Does anyone know what this car is doing? What kind of driving is this? This man came to steal, but he regretted it deeply. The dogs almost bit him. What kind of audacity is this? Going into someone else's pool and with clothes on, no less.
Get the out of here.
The thieves were about to open the window when they didn't realize someone was inside. Just then, the homeowner appeared in front of them. The thieves ran away, but when the homeowner shouted after them, they came back to avoid getting reported to the police.
What you doing, bro? Hey! The f you doing, weirdo?
I have him on camera.
What y'all doing, bro? What you doing? Why are you trying to open my window? Yeah.
Me?
Someone? What the fuck y'all doing? What you doing? Alright, get the f away from me, bro. Get the f away from me, bro.
The woman is hiding from something, but what is she hiding from? The police caught this fugitive, whatever crime he had committed, and it looks like he'll be going to jail for resisting the officers.
Hands up! Fucking hands up! Walk to me! Walk to me! Hands up!
Hey, put your hands up!
Up.
Hands up!
Now. Look at these.
The damn police is in my house.
These thieves break in when the homeowner isn't around. The police respond so quickly that the homeowner, watching from their doorbell camera, sees the officers and asks what's going on.
Do you know that gentleman here?
Huh?
Do you know that gentleman here? Turn around.
No, what happened?
Do you know that gentleman here?
No, I don't. Was they breaking in my house?
Yes, ma'am. They was inside your house when we got here.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know them.
You say you don't know neither one of them?
I don't know now one of them, sir.
Okay, can you come home and check your residence?
I'm way out of town, brother. I'm finna take